Afristar, which took over from CRBC, that is China Roads and Bridge Corporation, is a Chinese-run company employing both Kenyans and Chinese citizens and responsible of running and managing SGR at the two main depots, that is Nairobi and Mombasa. Before the wake of COVID-19, Afristar employees operated normally, commuting to work on a daily basis. After the COVID-19 breakout, that is in March 2020, the company sent home a good number of the Kenyan employees and retained a few together with the Chinese for continuity of rail operations. Later in the year, that is in October 2020, the company recalled a select team of Kenyan employees from home who were to work under quarantine conditions for 3 months.
It is important to note that not all employees operated at quarantine conditions during this period, since top management staff were allowed to commute. With the worsening of COVID-19 and following the requirements from MOH, the company demanded for compulsory vaccination of all employees, and a special arrangement was made for that. The arrangement included a break from duty for a few Kenyan employees who had not received the jab within the company's vaccination program in July 2021. These employees were recalled in October 2021 after full vaccination and given a contract to work under quarantine for another indefinite period, since the contract indicated a period of not less than 6 months. After receiving this contract, these employees are still quarantined to date, despite them being fully vaccinated, including the booster shots and the management of the COVID-19 situation in the country having improved. The longest affected Kenyan employees have been locked up for 2 years now without access to the outside world. Only one specific department, the locomotive department, has been locked up because they work closely with the Chinese. Other departments are allowed to commute. To our view, this is outright racism.
There is a lot of discrimination in terms of treatment. The Chinese are cooked special food and have special privileges over Kenyans. There are 2 serving points, one for Kenyans and the other one for Chinese. There is no privacy and dignity for all the employees, as the male and female employees share cubicles. There is a limited supply of tissue papers and sanitary towels, and the rules do not allow them to shop anything from outside. These employees cannot access or be accessed by outsiders, including their family, friends, and close relatives.
What we're saying is their freedom has been curtailed. They cannot seek reprieve, or maybe they can't even report the matter to any authorities because they're not allowed to get out. So then that makes it difficult for them to report such cases.